In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and download files in Slack. Sharing files in Slack is one of the easiest ways to keep documents, images, videos, code files, and other assets organized right inside your team conversations. It keeps everything centralized, searchable, and tied to the right channel or direct message, which makes collaboration much smoother. Before we begin, keep in mind that Slack supports many common file types and allows uploads of up to 1 gigabyte per file. Also, the visibility of any file depends on the privacy settings of the channel or direct message where it's shared. Let's start with uploading files on desktop or in a web browser. First, open Slack either through the desktop app or in your browser. Then go to the channel or direct message where you want to share the file. Once you're in the correct conversation, click into the message field at the bottom so you're ready to attach something. Next, click the plus icon beside the message box. From there, choose Upload from Computer if the file is saved locally. If your workspace has cloud storage connected, you may also see options like uploading from Google Drive or another linked service. Another quick method is to simply drag and drop the file from your computer directly into the Slack window. That can be the fastest option if you already have the file open in your File Explorer. Before sending it, add a short message or caption to explain what the file is for. This is especially helpful when multiple files are being shared in the same conversation. When you're ready, press Enter or click the Send button to post the file. Now let's look at downloading files on desktop or web. Go to the channel, thread, or direct message where the file was shared. If you want to browse all files in one place, open the conversation details from the top of the channel and select the Files tab. This makes it easier to find documents without scrolling through the full chat history. Once you've found the file, hover over its preview in the conversation. Click the 3 dots menu in the File Action area, then choose Download File. In some cases, such as images or PDFs, you may also see a download arrow you can click directly. After that, choose where you want to save the file on your computer and confirm the download. On mobile, the process is very similar. Open the Slack app and go to the correct channel or direct message. To upload, tap the paperclip or plus icon next to the message field. Choose Upload a photo for images or videos from your gallery, or tap Attach a file to browse your device storage. Select the file, add a message if needed, and tap Send. To download on mobile, tap the shared file to open it, then tap the options icon in the top corner. From there, choose Save Image or Save to files to store it on your phone. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.